Welcome to CC Avenue's Marketing Tools module. Every merchant aspires to offer discounts and promotions like large marketplaces. However, technical and compliance restrictions often pose challenges. CC Avenue simplifies this through discount coupons and bin-based promotions directly on your dashboard. Merchants can navigate to Marketing Tools from the dashboard, where two powerful features are available: discount coupons and promotions. Discount coupons are codes that offer flat or percentage-based discounts to customers on the CC Avenue payment page. Merchants can manually enter or auto-generate coupon codes like Monsoon 25 or Diwali 10 and choose fixed or percentage discounts. Select the currency if multi-currency is enabled, enter the discount value, and define whether it applies to all orders or only above a set value. For percentage discounts, set a maximum limit. For example, 10% off orders above 1000 rupees, capped at 200 rupees. Define the coupon start or end dates and usage limits such as 20 redemptions or 1 per user. Use case: an apparel store launches a flat 200 rupees off coupon on purchases above 2000 rupees during Diwali. Customers apply it during payment to avail the offer. Use case: a spa receives drop-off alerts and sends SMS or email reminders to customers who did not complete bookings, encouraging them to resume and pay. Bin-based promotions allow offers specifically for card holders of certain banks, targeting card bin numbers. Enter promotion name and description. For example, HDFC Regalia 10, valid on orders above 2000 rupees. Max discount 200 rupees. Choose whether the offer is an instant discount or a cashback issued later by the bank. Select payment modes: credit card, debit card, EMI, UPI, net banking, and define applicable banks and card networks. Enter the bin numbers, first 6 digits of the card, provided by the bank to identify eligible cards. Define if the discount is flat or percentage. Set minimum order value and maximum cap. For example, 5% off 1000 rupees and above, max 100 rupees. Configure validity date, usage inventory, and whether users can avail the offer once or multiple times. CC Avenue's tools empower merchants to implement advanced discount strategies without additional integrations or dependencies. Partner with a bank to offer exclusive discounts to card holders during festive seasons, for example, Diwali, Eid, Christmas. Drive festive season sales and gain new customers. For example, get flat 500 rupees off on orders above 4999 rupees with HDFC Bank credit cards. You can apply promotions to specific order amounts, target users based on their card type or issuing bank, and utilize Google Analytics tracking for each campaign to monitor performance. Additionally, it is possible to run parallel campaigns tailored to various customer segments, allowing for more precise and effective marketing strategies. With CC Avenue reports, merchants can gain valuable insights by viewing coupon usage, evaluating overall campaign performance, and analyzing abandonment recovery statistics. This helps in assessing the effectiveness of marketing efforts and making informed decisions to optimize future strategies. These real-world use cases show how simple tools can deliver powerful results. Start using CC Avenue's marketing tools today and grow your business efficiently. Need help? Reach out to service@ccavenue.com for assistance with QR Pay, promo campaigns, coupons, or pop-ups. Thank you for partnering with CC Avenue.